Ever wondered what is the difference between first degree, second degree, and third degree connections on LinkedIn? If so, you are in the right place because today I'm going to break down that mystery for you. I'm Vendy and I'm all about helping coaches and course creators attract the highest quality inbound leads on LinkedIn without the need for cold selling. Now, if you're planning to use LinkedIn in your strategy this year, be sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified every time I release a new video. I'm guessing that you are here because you have noticed people having these weird first, second, and third degree labels on their profile and you're not quite sure what they mean. So let me clear up that confusion for you. When you go to someone's profile, you can either follow them or connect with them. Now, if you do not know the difference between connections and followers on LinkedIn, you definitely want to check out this video later on where I explain the difference between the two. So I will link that video in the cards above as well. Now, today though, we're talking about connections. So, question number 1, what are first degree connections? This is the most straightforward one to answer because anyone that you already have in your network is actually called your first degree connection. You can see that I currently have 5,544 connections in my network, and these are the people that I can send direct messages to. So your first degree connections are people who have accepted your invitation to connect or you have accepted their invitation to connect. For example, if you go to Donovan's profile, you will see a first labeled next to his name, and this simply means that Donovan and I are connected on LinkedIn. Before we proceed, I would really appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up as it really helps me grow on YouTube. So, without any further ado, let's hop to question number 2. What are second degree connections? Now, if first degree connections are people in your network, then it must mean that second and third degree connections are people outside of your network, which is absolutely the case. So we already established that Donovan and I are connected on LinkedIn. However, he has over 2,500 followers on LinkedIn and we only have 55 mutual connections. This means that all the people in Donovan's network that I am not directly connected to are going to be called my second degree connections. For example, if Donovan is connected to Amanda and I am not, then Amanda is going to appear as my second degree connection and I'm not going to be able to message her until her and I connect. Alright, so what are the third degree connections? Let's put all of this together now. If I am connected to Donovan, and Donovan is connected to Amanda, and Amanda is connected to Nathan, then Nathan is going to appear as my third degree connection. So there are basically 3 degrees of separation between myself and Nathan. Your third degree connections are people who are connected to your second degree connections, and you will not be able to message them until you connect with them first. To visualize this, let's imagine a pool of people around you. There is you. Then there are your first degree connections, your second degree connections, and your third degree connections. The more you grow your personal network, the wider your extended network becomes. Okay, but how about those people who appear as LinkedIn members? If you see that on LinkedIn, this means that those profiles are far outside your extended network and you have no access to these people. This is why it is so important to grow your personal network on LinkedIn. If you'd like me to be your coach and show you how to attract your most ideal clients on the platform, be sure you message me on LinkedIn and ask me about the LinkedIn Bootcamp. There you have it. That is the difference between first, second, and third degree connections on LinkedIn. Let me know in the comments below how many connections do you have currently. Be sure you also grab my quick start guide below this video if you are looking to attract new leads for your business. I would really appreciate if you could give this video a like and subscribe to my channel as it truly helps me grow on YouTube. Now, be sure you also check out this video next on how to grow your following on LinkedIn. Thank you so much for being here and I'll catch you in the next episode.